How to download Aviator Predictor app on Android phone. So if you want to download Aviator Predictor app on your Android phone, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you can open up your browser, Google or your browser, anything that you're comfortable with. Go with search, and here you need to search for Aviator Predictor APK. And after that, you need to go with how to download Aviator Predictor APK version. Tap on any one of these websites. Now once you're here, you need to scroll down and you will have download APK option. So you need to tap on the Aviator Predictor section right here, and here you will have the download option. So you just need to simply tap on download APK. Once you tap on download APK, it will start the downloading process. And as you can see that downloading has started. You can go with the upper right, which has that 3 dots, and you can go with downloads, and here you will have your download. So you just need to simply wait for a few seconds till it downloads, and once it's downloaded, you can just double tap on it and it will ask you if you want to install the application or not. So you just need to simply go with yes, I would like to install, and it will be installed. So that's how you can download Aviator Predictor app on your Android phone, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.